Okay, let's explain the tools that are on a portrait. The portrait tools, you can adjust and edit the portrait. First tool is Studio Light. With this Studio Light interesting tool, you can control lighting source that are using a scene. With that, as you can see, this is our light source, and you cannot see anything because first you have to increase the amount. And now interesting things happen. Here you can change the light source on your portrait face. Interesting. Here you can change the brightness of that. You can change the softness of that. It's affect all of the more sharp or softness. That you can play with that in a depth. You can give more sharper or softer. It's actually changing the depths of that. It's called depth, but it's using how sharp or smooth this light affect the scene. Light contrast, you can make it contrast light. And here with the amount, I explained it before, you can change amount of your color of light. You can change the light color with the hue. We have no saturate light. For seeing the hue, you have to increase the number of saturation to better see these lights. This is going to the white or more saturated. It's going to exactly the light that you selected here, the color selected here. Interesting part is that you can, with this add button, you can add another light. And here is our light. The dot color depend on the color that you selected here. For first thing, you have to increase the amount, and now we have two light source. Interesting. With this light source, you can increase or decrease amount. You can change the color. Don't forget to hue. And we have a green and red color. You can change the soften or sharper. Interesting. You can right click, hide or remove it. That's very easy. And we have another button here, light customization. You can open it. And interesting part happened. You can add a texture or pattern on it. Pattern is a stripe pattern by automatically. It's none. As you can see, it looks like your we have a window comes from here, light from window. You can change the position of that texture or stripe. Nice. You can change the scale of that. And if you don't want to give a pattern, you can make it a dot or no. If you want, you can add a texture on it. You can add your own texture or any texture that you want. Nice. You can add any texture on your light like this. Interesting. Or you can get none. So you can change the scale of that, the positioning of that texture here. Because it's none. Yeah. Here you can change the position of the texture or the pattern that you want. Or you can use them both. That's it. Or for example, if you don't want to see the texture here, you can go to the masking, add the brush, raise the effect of the painting. Here, it means the red area means we have full effect of that light studio, and in this part we don't have effect. And as you can see, the effect just this studio light just affect the face, not this part. This is a mask. You can go to the brush or adjustment again. Okay, that's it. You can add a lot of light here and use these lights to changing your portrait lighting.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.